Who am I seeing?
For real, baby.
Wait a minute.
For real, baby. Matthias.
Yes, sir.
Look
at it, sir. Small boy of yesterday.
For real.
Come on here, man. Am I? Yeah.
Oh.
Nice to see you again.
No, for real, baby. Me too, baby.
Wait a minute. When did you become a barrister?
Get down. Matthias. I went off one completed building. No. Now, Bawa. I saw Igbo. Just one voice came from heaven down to my ear, baby. Idawai. Isso, you must become a lawyer, a barrister, a call to bar barrister, baby. No, for real, man. That's why you go see me from United States of America. I'm not a barrister, man.
It's something equivalent and exuberant to me. Ano mebe na ngomaya na ba.
Hey,
onu weda. Asim Matthias, you are called into ba. Ya mmapuruze ni meba.
Are you for real?
Nah, man, mkobu.
Get there.
I was lucky when they said Igwe said every member of this community that is a barrister should come home for local case because I have been handling international cases.
No, for real, man. Same thing to me. That's why you see me. I'm back here, man.
You know what? I will see you in court.
You will see me in
court. Because of the rain, I will see you in court.
Get them, baby.
Pathology, systematically, jangolism.
See you in court, baby.
See you in court.
Look at you.
No, for real, I am barrister, no case.
Get them,
so
baby.
With me, you got no case. I will deal with you interrogatively.
Get them, baby. I will tell you that I'm barrister Imo from United States of America. My wife 36 law schools downtown Atlanta, Georgia, baby.
You might hear me Imo now. Okay, Megan at this community.
My word, you tell the case. Na court. If you look at the people from United States of America,
I will give you my own geologically, pathologically.
Matthias is now a barrister, baby. No, for real, man. I will tell you why I went to 36 law schools.
Barrister no case, Iborola case lota. Barrister no case, Iborola
Uncle. I saw your brother, Matthias, at the junction. As I was coming back now, I saw him.
My own brother Matthias.
Yes, Uncle, I saw him at the junction now with a very big bag like this, eh?
Hey, eh?
Nah.
He told me he's coming back soon, but he never told me he's coming today.
But I saw him at the junction with a very big bag.
Come, I hope you're not joking. Be serious, okay?
Uncle, I'm not joking. If you go, you will see him. I saw him with a very big bag.
Yeah, serious.
I saw him.
Well, let me believe you, Sha. Although he told me he's coming back, but I never knew it's today. That means miracle. I want a miracle now.
Uncle, he is back. Uncle, I beg. That big bag, what I see. I know say a lot of things go there inside that bag.
You don't need to worry yourself about that.
I will come. I'll come. May give me small something.
Can we remind him,
Barrister no case, Iborola case yo. Barrister no case, Iborola civil defense. Barrister no case, Iborola case lota. Barrister no case, Iborola civil defense. I never see him before. This kind of barrister, oh body boyari. Tajambe lawyer, he don't enter our town. Everybody get ready, our body must hear him. He know they take nonsense, he no get time for pleading. Guilty or not guilty, you must plead, I am guilty.
Is this my house? No, this can't be my house. There is one big mango tree here. Why would they cut everything down? Huh? Why would they cut everything down and even the... Oh my God. What is wrong with people like this? What is wrong with them? Why would they change everywhere? Huh? I have come. Hey, you kill all my mas. Oh yes. Oh, this she? No shaking. But it's no case. I will, man. Woo. Yeah, I have landed like London.
The barrister, my brother, my only brother. Hey, Odogu.
Spare me that nonsense, please, until I don't want it. I hate it when people take me for granted. I hate it when people downgrade my capacity and then they below and then disgrace my authority. No, what's that nonsense for?
Hey, barrister on the Morgan.
What's that nonsense for? I called you on phone. I told you I was coming. That you should tell your children to go and clean up my compound and get everywhere ready before my arrival. And I came back, you only cleaned the compound. What about the inside? Who will clean the parlor? Cobweb, everywhere. Come on, my body detests dirtiness. I am a barrister of law. I make law and I cannot fall a victim of law. What nonsense?
Biko, you will get knock. Even if that orange are not there, everywhere was dirty. I was not cleaning the whole place.
You know you are wicked.
Weekend, Tata, Monday or Tuesday. Tata, weekend now.
Uncle, do you know that I can sue you now for deforestation? Yes! I can sue you now for clearing and forwarding environmental discharge. Do you know I can sue you for humanitarianly inauguration? Yes! I hate rubbish. And you went as far as painting the whole compound? My family compound. Did I ask you to cut down the trees? What if I had not been somebody that has a sycophant issue in my head to recognize my father's compound? I would have passed. They would have taken me to somewhere else. You brought down all the trees without my departmental familiarity knowledge. Are you all right? Osisi orange ahụ na osisi ube na osisi mbacheleku o him na eja ahụ waba ya ma. Give the handle to you. Do you know I can kill you at the way you killed those trees? Some more.
Hey, please, barrister, because don't be angry. I will go and send my daughter now. She will go back and clean the parlor the way you want it to be very clean. Because don't be angry. You are my barrister. One day, don't be angry. Sure, definitely I will do that now.
Anyway, I forgive you because of your low-brainedness. Yes, I have to forgive you because we are not in the same capacity. It was raining when I was coming. Getting into the house, I supposed to rest. I supposed to eat. But here I am shouting. My capology doesn't need it. My iniquity upstairs has emptied. I am so derailed at the moment. So please move to the house and start cleaning before I lose it.
No problem.
Court order. I rest my case. Adjournment. Attention. Go back. Move. Attention. You must give me a barristeric salute before you move. Action. Move it. I said move fast. You don't move the same way I'm moving.
Hello. I'll be here now. You are taking time. I don't like this thing. I'll be here for like 5 minutes now. Hi. Alright.
Excuse me. Who are those children? Who are they?
You don't know them. They're not children, they're adults. Lawyers.
Know what?
Lawyers.
How can you be joking with that stupid talk? How can these urchins be lawyers?
Are you not a member of this community?
Uh-huh.
Were you not there when the Igbo announced that all our indigenes studying law in a foreign land, that they should come back? And here they are. Yes.
So these urchins, Umurura Wunta na Mosquito Nda, are studying law or lawyer in a foreign land. They should return, and these people are returning like this. So you call this thing returning? Or you put a hand febute? Hand a febute like a mosquito. How can you bring my profession so down? If not for one thing, I would have court-martialed you. I would have disgraced you publicly in a law enforcement center. I would have dealt with you professionally. How dare you? Anybody you see on black and white, you call them lawyers? When did law school become a kindergarten for children? Now listen, let me tell you. If there is anybody, I repeat, on quote and on this quote, if there's anybody that should be addressed as a lawyer, I am the person. Because I studied everything studiable. I read everything readable. I learned everything landable. That is the reason I was recommended in a black chamber of Queen Elizabeth Amanicho. They ventured into the Osuka system law 1984 into section 48 adjacent 43. They crowned me the mother lawyer. So whoever that is murdered, I stand in the court and I murder that person. You dare not call these things lawyers. Some put on a court to be damn them. I take my leave. Your Igbo should be careful. He should mind those he call lawyers. Because as for law, I am a law enforcement. I take my leave. Nonsense. Come on. How can you tell me these things are lawyers? Do you know what it takes to get a lawyership? You must be joking.
Barrister no case, Aborola civil defense. Barrister no case, Eborola case Yohu. Barrister no case, Aborola civil defense. Barrister no case, Eborola case Lota.
Good afternoon. Are you people lawyer?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, let me help you. Madam. Hey, Auntie Oga lawyer.
No.
Eh?
No, don't touch this.
Okay, I should not touch it then. I'll follow you people anywhere you want to go. On law. Hey, they're going to lawyer. Lawyer. Oh, what's up, lawyer? They're going to lawyer. barrister dey place.
Yeah. There's the place.
Hey, whoa.
Wait. What did he just do?
Okay, barrister. Not behave in a house.
Hey! He has broken the contempt of the court! And you must go in for it. Have you forgotten we are barristers? Everything about us, both our luggages, our bags, supposed to be pampered as barristers also.
Hey, see, Oga, I swear with my lordship, you must go in for this. Did you know the content of that bag?
He don't know.
Our certificate and our lawyer book is there. And you just, in fact, you carry the whole courtmanship, put for grant.
I beg, barrister madam and barrister Oga. See, I do bad thing help when I carry on a bag.
Wait, so let me ask you a question. Do you think we are inconsequential human beings?
I don't know. See, barrister, come on, body. Where is any police station around?
I guess it must be around. Yeah. There must be a police station.
Barrister Oga and madam, I beg. Make it no cause problem. No be bad. I go wash am. I go buy soap. I go buy omo. I beg. I beg. I don't come out for ground.
Better.
I go wash am. I beg. Well, no, I go follow.
If not, you could have faced the law.
Sorry. Oh, barrister.
See, don't even forget to add it hyper. Why buying the soap and this thing? Let's go in.
Yeah. Okay, I have it.
Makanya semangat. Apa?
Mata.
Uncle, why are you shouting my name in that magnitude? How can you be making a noise with my name? Listen, let me tell you. The next time you are coming into this compound, you have to come in with respect because a lawyer have possessed this zone. This is a barrister zone and not an ordinary place you can come and shout and then make noise. You have to address me with peace and tranquility.
Yeah. Because, excuse me, tranquility. Emeron kontara. Adile manyabro monyiti. You know, because I just let me come and check on you. Now you know my brother again. If I don't come check on you, who will I go and check on this village?
If you are my brother, must you disrespect my profession? Must you disrespect my academic jingoism? Must you disrespect my lawfulness and lawless personality? I am a lawyer. I am a barrister. I am called to the bar. And when a barrister is called to the bar, he should be behind the bar or inside the bar. You must not be called to bar. If you are called to bar, you should represent your barrierism. I am a barrier. A barrister that read murder case. I am a murder barrister with 24th degree century academical section. I read everything. The federal government looked at me, finished. They said, no, you barrister Matthias, I am going to send you into the awkward fantomment. And I venture into it. I am a balatara. I am a case. I don't need people to tell me my profession and what to do or what not to do. When a lawyer speaks, he stands. This place is a danger zone. It's a law zone. It's a war zone. Everybody should keep up. What a mess.
Again, do why I hear. You say you're a mother. Are you a woman? Eh?
That is the terminology of a barristeristic in conjunction with the paramount subject at hand. See, Uncle, please. There's no time for comedy or there's no time for drama here. I am back. All I want you to do for me is to go around the village and announce it. Tell the whole members of this community that a barrister, no case, have arrived. And I have come to set so many families free from bondage or captivity or captivity. Yes, I know I represent in overseas where I studied, I represent federal government. I am a federal government apartment. I'm a federal government distribution. I'm a federal government S-bit and this bit. But here, I want to step solo because my people are suffering. I have to bring down myself to their equal to make sure I at least handle their cases. So tell them that I am around. Let them bring their cases. Onye obula nwere case ya kotebe. People live in case kuro. Inwo okugbuo, inwo mmadu gbuo, inwo ogolo, inwo nwunye mmadu doru, ihe ole huru mewe. Onye na-ekpe ikpe no here I have coming. I can defend anybody.
Hey.
I may defend this.
Barrister.
Oh, Mua. Barrister, no case. That is my name from henceforth.
You are talking as if you don't know me. You're supposed to know me, your brother, me, your uncle. I don't blow up trumpet for this village. Parara. Your ears have not the ear. I don't fire the trumpet. All the whole village now, they have succumbed to whatever I'm telling them about your ministry. One name, very soon, this your chamber, because only cheregi gets yamba. That is the meaning of chamber. Very soon,
in a local tone. A local tone, chamber. But in a foreign tone, that is what I represent. I am an occultic personality inside court. You don't know what I mean. Don't worry, since you have started announcing, that's in fact, I applaud you. I applaud you for that. In fact,
hey, wait more. No problem. I heard you very clear. Even now, I've already started having a headache. Don't worry. I'll go and tell every village. Even Igbo will stop talking. Igbo is not talking anything. You are the only one to talk for us. One name, Sawarewanje Onaria.
Please don't forget. I said case. Anything case. I am case key. Anything case. Iburu madu kage onye na-achọ dị gbuo ye. Between the case. Oh God, even if you case no onwe yote. You say, are you a case? Or say yes. Enter into the case. Bring the matter to me.
Oh, voka batali mokboko.
Yes. Wonderful one. Yes. Let them know about my arrival. I can't just arrive like a chicken. I arrived as a king. Judiciary is aware of my arrival. Court martial is aware of my arrival. Then Bunga, that is the name of our chief judge over there in tranquility. They are aware of my leaving. When I left Israel, they were weeping. Oh, who will speak for us? I said, no, don't worry. Let me just go and give my people little of my acquaintance. And I have landed into this village. I'm a barrister with a hyphen. Only my curriculum. Ebe, curriculum. My autograph. Yes, my Lord. I am aware of it. Let us join hands together and liberate our people into sin.
Wow. Come on, buddy.
Yeah.
Are you trying to tell me that you are now a lawyer?
Yeah, I'm not a lawyer.
You are now a qualified barrister.
Yeah, you're not my learned colleague.
Wow, congratulations. Come on, buddy. No, for real, baby. I'm so proud of you, baby.
Thank you.
Oh, sister Dioku. God damn, baby. Yeah, we used to know you back in the days as a very hot chick. So you are now a barrister.
Yeah, by God.
A qualified barrister you are.
Yeah, by God's grace.
Damn, I'm so proud of you. You are highly welcome, baby.
Thank you.
You are highly welcome. I can't believe myself. So I want to know more about how you become a lawyer. Where did you go to law school?
We went at Congo. Yeah.
Oh, you studied law in Congo.
Yes.
God damn, baby. I see. You can see me. I don't need to tell you, man. I'm an international lawyer from United States of America, baby. That's why you can see me appearing like this. See, in United States of America, there are so many law schools in United States of America. But I decided, do you know what? Do you know how many law schools that I attended in United States of America? God damn, baby. I attended 36 law schools in United States of America. And I practiced my law. And I was called to bar in Atlanta, Georgia, or my calling to bar down to Georgia. That's why you can see me as an international lawyer, baby. If I may ask you, where were you called to bar?
Well, we were called to bar at Odumegwu High Court.
Yeah.
Oh, you were called to bar at Odimegwu. What do you say?
High Court, Odumegwu High Court.
Odimegwu High Court. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So, which means we are now learned colleagues.
Yeah, we are now learned colleagues. Yeah.
My fellow learned gentlemen.
Yeah.
Well, do you know what we're going to do in this community? We are going to work together as a barrister to eradicate crime. To make sure that this village is peaceful.
Yeah.
That's why we
It's
came back.
educated
Yeah.
metaphor.
You say what?
Educated metaphor.
Oh, educated.
Educated metaphor.
Oh, educated. That's a long time in United States. Yeah, I think I've heard that in university. Oh, say it again.
Educated metaphor.
That's what we are going to apply in this community to make sure that crime stops. I'm so much proud of you, baby. What will I offer you?
No. You don't have to.
You don't
stress
need
yourself.
to
We are okay.
stress yourself.
Oh, you came to my office. You don't want to take anything. I have some soft in my fridge.
We are okay. We are
Okay.
okay. Just that we had you come back, so
Yeah,
we decided to pay you a visit. We are okay with that.
Barrister Komobody and the barrister Odioko. Damn, you are highly welcome.
Thank you.
Barrister Komobody, is that what we plan to say?
What do you expect me to do now?
Why will you tell him that we studied at Congo?
Well, I don't know when the word Congo fell out from my mouth. I don't know. And you too, you have a thought. Why did you mention Odumegwu High Court?
Well, we are trying to defend ourselves now.
There's nothing like defending. Eh? You know that Odumegwu is from this Nigeria.
Odumegwu is an international name. You will not understand. You will not know.
Well, thank God we managed to defend ourselves.
Hey, at least we have something to say to defend ourselves. But did you see that his chamber?
I saw it.
It was wonderful.
Hey! Did you see how he decorate and they manage that place?
I think we need to do something like that.
We will not even know we have to. We will do it now. Let's proceed.
Hey, at least when we come to our own chamber, we know that we are equal to the task.
Let's move.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.